Hi, everybody. This is Mr. Brayton, and we're moving into the second part of our lesson. On my table, I have all of the manipulatives that we did in the assignment before, my 100s, my 10s, and my 1s. And if you will look at my notebook, I've split them in the hundreds place, the tens place, and the ones place. And that is because we read our numbers from the 100s, the tens, and the ones. And we're going to use our manipulatives to help us out with that. So I'm going to just take a random amount of manipulatives off of each one. And we're going to see what number we have left. So first, we're going to start in our 100s place. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 100s counters. So we're going to count 100, 200, 300, and 400. So we have 400 here. And I'm going to write the number 4 down here. And we're going to move on to the tens place. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And I'm going to write the number 6 down here. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So I'm going to put the number 5 down here. Oh, that's a weird 5. I'm writing backwards. So we have the number 465. And that is going to lead us to our game where we're going to practice building our numbers. So in your Horizons box, you should have index cards. I chose to cut my index cards in half just because I like to make the most out of what I have. And so I just cut them so I have more, but if you do not want to, that is perfectly okay. And I'm going to take my notebook and flip the page, and we are going to start building some flashcards for you. So I'm going to take a flashcard, and on the blank side, I'm going to put a question mark just because it's a question mark, it's a flashcard. And then on the back, I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to use my dice to build a number. And we're going to practice with our manipulatives to building those numbers. So I have my 100s, my 10s, my 1s. So I roll the dice, and I have 6. So I'm going to use 6 100s, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. And then I'm going to roll the dice again. I got 10, or 2. So I'm going to count 10, 20. So I'm going to write the number 2. Ooh, got 2. 2. And then I'm going to roll the dice again. And I got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have the number 5. So I have 625. So on my board, after I make about 10 flashcards, I made a bunch of them. I'm going to put them out in the lines again like I had before. 100, 10, and 1. I'm going to pick a random card. I'm going to draw it up. This is 365. So I start with my 100s. I'm going to need 3, 100, 200, 300, 6 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 5 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have the number 365. I'm going to repeat with my flashcards as many times as I want. See if you can get through your deck of all 10 flashcards that you made with the dice. Have fun. Bye.